Hi everyone, welcome back. This is another episode. Basically, what we're doing now is we're looking for different mosses, which will be also going in the small terrariums. As you can see, there's a lot of different types of different mosses, which you can use for different terrariums. I do apologise for the
We'll let that one pass a minute.
Yep, we will do.
There you go, so people can hear you.
Yep, lovely. So yeah, different mosses. There's not just one type of moss. So yeah, we're going to get straight into it. So
what kind of areas do moss grow in?
Mosses
Tend to be woodlands.
Yeah, woodlands, damp, cold. Tends to be not a lot of sunlight. They normally grow on dead tree branches that are, biodegrading. There's nutrients, etc. in there. So
you can see down here.
Yeah,
there's loads of moss, big clumps.
Yeah, there is.
Of moss all over.
So if you
the place.
see from this one here, there's that one's that one's like a fluffy type of moss. It reminds me from where, if you look closely, it's like a very small fern plant. Or what it also reminds me of is the insect-eating plants.
Yes.
Which is, oh God, I can't think of its name now. Because let's again, there's loads of them. It looks like one of the sundew plants. They're very small.
So why are you putting it in plastic bags?
So one of the reasons is you wouldn't want to keep it in your pocket or your bag because it would cause a mess. Number two, moss likes the moisture. So if once you take it out the ground, it starts to lose its moisture very quick. So by keeping it in bags like this that you can seal, it will retain its moisture. So anyway, so we're gonna basically don't ever grab it like that because you don't want to flatten it. Pardon my French. You get your fingers underneath like this. Thumb over and slowly tease away. Make sure that you pull all of the the leftovers out. Good little chunk as you do, and straight in a bag like that. And there you go. It will have a bit more in it because I need a lot more of that. But yeah, so there's the moss.
That's the moss done.
It is the moss.
What else have we got left to collect? Because we've already collected some bits.
Yeah, so the leftover bits that we're going to need. So these are the bits that we've also collected. So we've just collected the moss. We've got different sizes and variety of different twigs, which you can see there. Different soils from under the leaves and that, which has got beneficial bacteria. Different insects as well, which will help to keep the breakdown of the terrarium. Acorns, I like to just use them to put on top. It's like a little bit of decoration. We've still got there's two more things that we still need to collect. A bit of bark.
Yeah. Shouldn't be too hard to find around here.
And a couple of pebbles. And possibly some little bits of slate. Other than that, we've got the jar ready, which will be coming in the next episode.
Yeah.
Which I'll be putting that up soon. Other than that, good to go. So
yeah, it's all free.
Yep, it's all free.
It's all out in the wild.
Yep, it's all legal. As long as you're not picking up things or endangered species. Which I will, if I can get round to it, I'll put that in the link as well. But yeah, if you want to do anything like that, it's cheap, easy, it's fun. The kids love it as well.
It's a good little project.
Learning all about your environment, etc. It's a little ecosystem in a jar, I like to call it. But yeah, it's all free. It doesn't need to be cost effective. Just get out and about, collect what you need. Yeah, happy days. Good to go.
Brilliant. That's another one. Thank you, Shade.
Yep.
And you've got a video on how to build these.
We have indeed, which will be coming up shortly. So yeah, happy days. So yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. Thank you very much.